Have you ever stopped to wonder why our elbows and shoulders function the way they do? It's a question that might seem a little out of left field, but stick with me for a moment. Our elbows and shoulders are not just joints that help us lift, carry, and perform a myriad of daily tasks. They are the result of millions of years of evolution, a unique adaptation that sets us apart from our primate relatives. This evolution of our joints has been instrumental in our survival as a species. It has facilitated the development of skills like tool use and intricate communication, setting the stage for the rise of civilization. So next time you reach for a coffee mug or wave to a friend, take a second to appreciate the marvel that is the human elbow and shoulder. With every bend and stretch, our elbows and shoulders are testament to our evolution. So, how did our elbows evolve to be so different from other primates? Well, the elbow joint's transformation has been a long, fascinating journey. It all started millions of years ago, when our primate ancestors began a transition from tree-dwelling to ground-dwelling lifestyles. You see, the elbow's ability to rotate and extend has played a significant role in our evolution. This unique trait has given us the capability to manipulate our environment, use tools, and perform a variety of tasks that other primates can't. Imagine trying to build a fire, craft a tool, or throw a spear with an elbow that only allowed limited movement. It would be quite challenging, wouldn't it? But thanks to the evolution of our elbows, we can do all these things and more. The anatomical changes that have occurred over time are equally fascinating. One of the most notable changes is the development of a longer olecranon process, the bony prominence of your elbow. This change has provided a greater leverage for the muscles, enhancing our ability to lift objects and manipulate our surroundings. So, while we may not give much thought to our elbows, they are the unsung heroes of our evolutionary story. They are a testament to our ancestors' adaptation to new environments and survival challenges. Our elbows, then, have been a key player in our evolutionary journey. But what about our shoulders? They too have a tale to tell. Shifting our focus from elbows to shoulders, we find another chapter of our evolutionary story. The shoulders, much like the rest of our bodies, have been molded by the demands of our lifestyle. Let's delve into how our ancestors' tree-dwelling lifestyle influenced the initial design of our shoulders. The need to swing from branch to branch required a shoulder joint that could rotate in all directions, giving our ancestors the mobility they needed. But as we traded tree canopies for open savannas, our shoulders had to adapt. The transition from a tree-dwelling to an upright lifestyle necessitated a change in shoulder structure. This change allowed for more stability and strength, facilitating the development of skills like throwing and carrying. These skills, particularly throwing, were crucial to our survival, helping us fend off predators and hunt for food. In essence, our shoulders carry the weight of our evolutionary history. So, what can we take away from all this? Our primate ancestors laid the groundwork for our modern elbows and shoulders, which have evolved over time to support our unique human abilities. These adaptations have enabled us to swing from tree to tree, reach for the stars, and even hurl objects with precision. In essence, our elbows and shoulders are living testaments to our primate past, reflecting a journey of millions of years. Next time you reach for something or throw a ball, remember you're showcasing millions of years of evolution in action.